Hello friends and welcome back to MotoGP 20 career. So today we are at Termas. We did the free practice. In free practice 1 we did 140.7 and in free practice 2 we did 140.8. So we are in second position. In free practice 2, Valentino Rossi is first. So let's go to qualifying 2. Okay, so let's put on some new tires. And let's fast forward some time. Okay, so Marcus did 140.6 और हमें उससे कम वक्त में लैप पूरा करना है, so let's try.
There is movement in the pit. The mechanics are preparing the bike and the rider seems very focused. We'll see if he can improve his time.
So it's 141.3. Okay, so this is our last chance. Yeah, 140.2. We are 1/10 faster. Okay, so let's end the session.
That's the end of the second and last qualifying session, and we can finally see the grid positions that await us in tomorrow's Grand Prix.
Okay, Marcus is on second, Quartararo third, Alex Rins fourth, and Dovi is on fifth. Okay, Rossi is on eighth. Rossi was fastest in free practice 2, and he is on eighth. All right. So here we are on Termas de Rio Hondo for the Moto3 race.
And the Moto3 race will begin. Right now we are at the starting grid, waiting for the riders to receive the signal to start the warm-up.
Okay, so Carmine qualified on 16th and Daisy is on 10th. Let us see what they can do. Okay, so Carmine is on 9th and Daisy Jackson is on 13th. Okay, consistent results.
To take us to Parc Ferme to meet the stars of the race, let's take a quick look at the Moto3 class final ranking.
Okay, Tatsuki Suzuki wins, Alonso Lopez second, Dennis is third, Carmine is 9th and Daisy is on 13th position. Both the riders achieved their goal. They finished the race in top 15 position, so that's good. Alright, in Riders Championship, Suzuki is leading and okay, Carmine is on 11th and Daisy Jackson is on 14th. Okay. And in team championship, We are on 7th. Alright. It's a good result. Okay, so now it's time to Moto2 race. Let's see what our Moto2 riders do.
Here we are live from the Moto2 class starting grid, where riders and engineers are talking over the last few details before the race.
Okay, so Jack qualified on 13th and Michel qualified on 18th. Little bit better result than Austin. Okay, Jack already moved on 11th, so he's gaining couple of places. Come on, Jack. But Michel is on 28th position. Oh, 18th. They started good, but Jack is on 16th and Michel is on 21st
The stars
position.
of this exciting race are finishing their final lap. Let's take advantage of these moments to take a look at the Moto2 final ranking.
उन दोनों ने रेस शुरू तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से की थी, but don't know, they lost couple of places during the race. Okay. So in Riders Championship, Jorge Navarro is leading. Nagashima is on 2nd. Fabio is on 3rd. Jack is on 24th. And Michel is on 29th. So Jack gained 4 places and Michel gained 2 places. Okay, they are improving a little bit. In Team Championship, we are in 15th place. Okay.
Hello and welcome to the Termas de Rio Hondo circuit in Argentina for live coverage of the MotoGP race. We are live from the starting grid, where the cameras are lingering on the favourite riders for today. A few minutes to go, and finally the spectacle will begin.
Okay, let's see what we can do on Termas de Rio Hondo. We'll go with soft front and medium rear. Full tank of fuel. Let's go racing. Okay, Marcus is on soft medium. Rossi is on medium soft. Okay.
Everything here is ready to start the race at Termas de Rio Hondo. Riders just have one more thing on their mind now, being the first to cross the finish line.
Here we go. Marcus had a cracking start. Fabio, what are you doing? We are back in lead. Little bit wide in turn 5. Nakagami is down. Can we get third back-to-back win here? There is some glitch in this game. Sometimes it shows the pillar and sometimes it doesn't. So I don't know who is on third or who is on fourth. Yeah, the gap is 1.6 seconds. Oh, we are still on power mode 2. I absolutely forgot to change the power mode. Thank God हमने देख लिया उसको, otherwise हमारा फ्यूल खत्म हो जाता था. We are still leading after the end of lap 2. The gap is 2.5 seconds. Yeah, I like this circuit. Especially वो chicane वाला section. It is very tricky and very challenging. Yeah, this one. This is beautiful section. Now the gap is 3.9 seconds. So we are absolutely dominating. We are fastest lap 141.2. Yeah, it is not a fastest lap, but a fast lap in this race. Okay, now the gap is 4 seconds. This is called complete domination. Have you guys seen the qualifying? Not qualifying in this race, but qualifying in actual MotoGP race. Marcus was there. I just can't understand after that horrendous crash and with the injury, how can he ride the bike? ये MotoGP राइडर्स कुछ यार अलग ही मटेरियल के बने होते हैं. Means he had a surgery couple of days back and today he was riding the bike. ये सेम चीज़ लोरेंजो के साथ भी हुई थी. आई थिंक इट्स इन बार्सिलोना. He had a crash on Friday morning and I think Thursday or Friday morning, and he broke his collarbone. He had a surgery on Saturday, I think, and he is in the race on Sunday. It is amazing, and that's why I love this sport, because the dedication and वो सब अलग ही लेवल पे होता है उन लोगों का. दुनिया के अलग अलग कंट्रीज के अलग अलग राइडर्स 4 से 5 किलोमीटर के रेस ट्रैक पे below a second time difference. It's a miracle in itself. और ऐसा नहीं कि एक दो, एटलीस्ट 8 to 10 राइडर्स और मोर देन दैट, उनका टाइम डिफरेंस अगर चेक करेंगे तो वो 1 सेकंड से कम रहता है. अनबिलीवेबल मैन. Okay, so the gap is 3.4 seconds. Whoa. We are really sliding all over the place. Into the penultimate corner and into final corner.
While the riders complete their victory lap and return to Parc Ferme, let's take a look at the final ranking of today's race.
Marcus is on second, Crutchlow is on third, Fabio Quartararo is on fourth, Alex Rins fifth, Alex Marquez is on sixth. That's good result for Alex Marquez. Franco is on 7th, Jack Miller 8th, John Mir 9th, Brad Binder is on 10th, Maverick Vinales is on 11th, Aleix Espargaro is on 12th, Danilo Petrucci 13th, Paul is on 14th, Valentino Rossi is on 15th, Tito Robat 16th, Oliveira in 17th, Johan Zarco is on 18th, Locuana is on 19, Dovi is on 20, Not a good season for Dovi. Andrea Linoni is on 21st. Bagnaia is on 22nd. He's DNF'd. Nakagami is DNF'd. Okay. In Riders Championship, we are leading the championship from Marcus by 29 points. Vinales is on 3rd and Franco is on 4th. So in Team Championship, we are leading. Repsol Honda is on 2nd and Petronas Yamaha is on 3rd. Factory team is on 4th. Satellite team is on 3rd and factory team is on 4th. Okay, constructors, Yamaha is leading, Honda is on 2nd and Ducati is on 3rd.
Undoubtedly, it was a perfect day for him. In addition to the victory, his position also earns him 25 priceless championship points.
Yeah, 3 back-to-back wins. It will be a great season for us.
These days, the podium is extremely valuable. MotoGP has never had so many competitive riders at the same time. Today, they were at their best, and they deserve to celebrate. The level of the championship is only getting better. Consistent results seem to be the secret to a good season.
Okay, so we didn't get anything from Moto2 race, but we got 79,422 from Moto3 team race. So the total weekend credit is 279,518. Alright. So we lost the prestige, and in Moto3, yeah, we gained the prestige 269, but the research data is 250 only. यार इसे कैसे बढ़ाना है, क्योंकि जब तक ये रिसर्च डेटा बढ़ेगा नहीं, हम लोग बाइक डेवलप नहीं कर पाएंगे. कुछ ना कुछ तो रहेगा, देखना पड़ेगा. Okay, so we have a new candidate for personal manager, but he is not good in the all 3 departments, so refuse. So our frame will be ready in 5 weeks, and anti-wheelie 2 will be ready in 4 weeks. Okay, so can we do, yeah, we can do the engine development in Moto2. Okay, it will be ready in 4 weeks. No, we cannot do the frame and we cannot do electronics. Okay, what is team planning for next year? Okay, we are not able to recruit the riders, or we cannot choose the sponsor right now. So Can we do something here? Yoga sessions for riders. Oh, plus 1% reliability. Okay, minus 40% rider salary cost. Observers. Okay, that's good. Okay, so saddle comfort will be ready in 1 week. Yeah, we'll go for this. Mental coaching. देखते हैं उससे तो कुछ फर्क पड़ता है क्या राइडर्स में. And in Moto3 we still can't do anything. Yeah, we can do the frame upgrade. It will take 6 weeks. Okay. And in team development, marketing department. Okay. In R&D, can we do something? Okay, no, not yet, because the saddle comfort we will get in 1 week. Actually, our Moto3 team is performing quite good. ये सब करते करते कहीं पूरा बैंक बैलेंस ना खत्म हो जाए. Okay then. So what next? Jerez. Improvement of max racing in the R&D area. Okay. It will be completed in the next week. Okay friends, then see you at Jerez next time. तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखना, सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग मेंटेन करना, मास्क यूज़ करना एंड राइड सेफ. बाय बाय.